Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. This is the second part of a series on pivot charts videos. In this video, we will look at how to change the design of a pivot chart through filtering and formatting. Pivot charts are great at taking a snapshot of a specific subset of data from a large data source through the use of filters. In our population per year pivot chart, let's say we are interested in the average Canadian population between the years 2000 and 2010. We can represent this by selecting the Year dropdown from the Axis section and selecting the years we are interested in, or by using a label filter to show only the items between 2000 and 2010. Then, we select or search for Canada as the entity. Finally, we rename the label of the chart by selecting the default header and entering the new title, Population of Canada between 2000 and 2010, to properly represent our chart. We can continue to play with the formatting by changing the chart type. Perhaps we would prefer to have a horizontal bar chart, a pie chart, or even a line chart. Use the Design tab and the Change Chart Type button to find the available presets. We will select the horizontal bar graph and use OK for this example. To distinguish between the different years, we may want to change the colors and the bars. Select the chart and go to the Format tab and use the Format Selection button. We can then select the bar we would like to change and use the Fill and Line button. Here, we use the Paint Bucket drop-down to choose our new color. We can continue formatting by selecting the components on the chart or by using the drop-down in the Format sidebar. We can adjust the axes, such as the vertical axis, by changing the text direction or the position legend. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the Excel sheet from our website to practice the functions yourself.